I hope that the clients took away some insights into unconscious bias and that it does exist, and there's something that needs to be done about it. We see it more and more in the industry that you do not bring in the most diverse talent because of that bias, and I think what we learned and some of the key insights were on how to alleviate that problem and move forward.
The important thing for me is that Harvey Nash is in a very fortunate position to be able to have access to such a wide range of clients and try to promote what we do internally as well to other client organisations.
A few simple changes you can imply straight away, and then obviously keep an eye on the bigger picture and then make the changes as and when you can get round to getting buy-in from your organisation to adapt and change.
Talking to some bigger people from bigger firms, it's really interesting the way they view the issues and tackle them, and I think I can do a lot of learning from them.